safe destination. Anyone? Okay, wrong po ulit. The answer starts with letter S. We have one winner by the Echo Seat. The correct answer is Singapore or Malaysia. For the second question, Nihongo is the language of what Cebu Pacific destination? Ulitin po natin, babalang po muna lahat ng kamay. Nihongo is the language of what Cebu destination? We have one by the Alpha Seat. Congratulations po. The correct answer is Japan, Osaka, or Nagoya. And for the last question, Thai is the language of what Cebu Pacific destination? Ulitin po natin. Pakibaba po ulit. Raise po na hands after answer the number 3. 1, 2, 3. We have one by the forward section po. Thai is the language of what Cebu Pacific destination? Okay, congratulations. So the correct answer is Thailand. Thank you to all our winners and congratulations. As for the non-winners, we still have souvenir items on board. We have snack toy for 350 pesos, diecast for 550 pesos, bags, eyewear, Sun is by Charlie, and a whole lot more. Just take a look at the back page of your snack magazine for the complete list of items with their corresponding prices. For the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight